Matrimonio. Exciting cinematic shots of a luxury motorhome driving through scenic landscapes. Narrator. Imagine hitting the open road, but with all the comfort, elegance, and high-tech features of a five-star hotel. Welcome to the world of luxury motorhomes, where innovation meets adventure. Get ready to step inside some of the most extravagant homes on wheels ever built. Quick montage of sleek interiors, high-tech control panels, and panoramic views. Segment 1. Unparalleled design and comfort. Luxury motorhomes are more than just vehicles, they're mobile mansions. Crafted with premium materials, they feature sleek leather seating, high-end wood finishes, and custom lighting that set the mood for ultimate relaxation. Showcases of plush seating, spacious layouts, and cozy bedrooms with king-size beds. From fully equipped kitchens with top-of-the-line appliances to spa-like bathrooms with rainfall showers, every inch of these motorhomes is designed for first-class living on the go. Slow-motion shots of a gourmet kitchen with marble countertops and a stylish bathroom with a glass-enclosed shower. Segment 2. Smart Tech and Innovation. Narrator. But it's not just about luxury, it's about smart living. These high-tech motorhomes are packed with cutting-edge features like touchscreen control panels, voice-activated lighting, and even automated slide-outs that expand your living space with the press of a button. Show visuals of a control panel adjusting lights and temperature, a slide-out extending a room, and a built-in entertainment system. Want to take entertainment to the next level? How about a built-in home theater, surround sound system, and even a rooftop deck for breathtaking views under the stars? Segment 3. Off-grid luxury and adventure. Whether you're cruising down the highway or setting up camp in the wilderness, these motorhomes are built for freedom. With solar panels, lithium-ion battery systems, and onboard water filtration, you can travel off-grid without ever sacrificing comfort. Showcase of a luxury motorhome parked in a remote location with solar panels deployed. And for those who love adventure, some even come with built-in garages for your car, motorcycle, or even an ATV. Footage of a hidden garage compartment revealing a sleek sports car. So, would you trade a traditional home for a luxury motorhome? Let us know in the comments. And if you love incredible inventions like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the coolest tech and travel innovations. Closing shots of a stunning motorhome parked by a beautiful lake at sunset. Would you like any adjustments to the tone or style?